Are you looking for ways to save money on your water bill? What if you could save 60% on your everyday essential water use? Well, our Assure Essential Saver Tariff provides just that. It offers you an easy way to reduce your water bill straight away and encourages easy water saving habits. But how does it work? Well, let me tell you. Today on your water bill, you'll see your water charge, the water you use every day which is supplied by us, and your used water charge. This is for used water and surface water drainage that we collect on behalf of your wastewater supplier. Once you've signed up to this new tariff, we split your water charge into 3 parts: your standing charge, your essential water usage, and your non-essential usage. Your essential water use is for everyday activities such as showering, washing, drinking and cooking, and your non-essential use is for activities like filling up a paddling pool or washing the car. This tariff applies a 60% discount to your essential water use. But how is my essential water use calculated? This is calculated based on the number of people living in your household. For example, a household of 2 people has an estimated water usage of 150 litres per day. So, what does that look like? This is what a bill looks like for a family of 4 people living in the same house. Their estimated essential usage is 300 litres per day. Through this tariff, their essential water usage gets discounted by 60%, making a significant reduction to their bill. It's important to remember that all households have different bills and will save different amounts based on their water use. So why should I sign up? Without any changes, the amount of water you use, you will save money. Any water you use above the discounted essential use is charged at your normal metered rate, the same as it is currently. There are no hidden charges. It encourages you to be mindful of the water you're using, helping you save more on your bill and helping us to preserve our water resources for future generations. Remember, small changes can add up over time and make a real big difference. So, how do I apply? If your household income is between £22,011 and £27,000 per year and you're on a water meter, all you need to do is complete our application form. We'll then review this, and if you're eligible, we'll automatically apply the reduction from the date you applied. It's as simple as that. If you'd like more information, please visit our website or get in touch.